Had enough of the L word yet? It seems that everyone is using it nowadays without giving it a second thought. People believe that if they say it enough, that by some miracle, others will believe it. The fact is that leadership takes hard work, lots of hard work. But for those who are willing to put in the effort, they will achieve the rewards. Leadership requires going beyond the routine. It inspires, calls to action, and captivates those that will follow. Those skills may be inherent in some leaders, but for most of us, they must be developed and practiced if we truly want to be called legitimate leaders. You see, the leadership formula starts with your mind and ends with your actions. It's about what you think, what you say, and what you do. The critical components of leadership can be learned. You just need to make up your mind that you want to go on this journey. And if you do, we'll be there with you every step of the way.